In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit cash on Wise. To get started, sign into your Wise account and make sure you're on the homepage. From there, click Add Money. This is where you begin the process of funding one of your Wise balances. Next, choose the balance you want to add money to. If you hold more than one currency in Wise, it's important to select the correct one before moving forward. After that, enter the amount you want to deposit. Take a moment here to check that the amount is correct, because you'll need to send that exact amount later in the process. Under the Paying With section, select Bank or e-wallet transfer. This tells Wise how you plan to send the money. Once you've done that, review the amount and the transfer details shown on the screen. This page is important because it confirms where your money is going and how much needs to be sent. When everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll now arrive at the Payment Instructions page. This page contains the transfer details provided by Wise. Carefully locate and copy the payee name, the account number, and the bank name. Make sure you copy each detail exactly as shown, since even a small mistake can delay your deposit or cause the payment to fail. Now open your bank app or e-wallet app, or visit a cash deposit partner supported by your bank or e-wallet if you're depositing cash in person. Create a new transfer using the account details provided by Wise. As you fill everything in, pay close attention to accuracy. The account information must match the Wise instructions exactly. When you enter the payment amount, use the exact amount shown on the Wise Payment Instructions page. This is especially important because sending a different amount may slow down processing. Once all the details are correct, submit the payment. After sending the money, return to Wise. Back in your Wise account, click I've made my bank transfer. This lets Wise know that your payment is on the way and helps the system track your deposit. The final step is to wait for Wise to receive and process the payment. Processing times can vary depending on your bank, e-wallet, or cash deposit partner, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the transfer is completed, check your Wise balance to confirm that the funds have been added. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of depositing cash on Wise. Thanks for watching.